Hi, this is Frank Caprio. Today we're going to talk about high percentage braid coverage on corrugated metal hose. When we braid our hose, we use more wires of a smaller diameter on each bobbin, which increases the percentage of the hose exterior that is covered by that braid. This increased coverage helps to minimize any wear to the hose exterior, as the wires tend to ride over the corrugations during cycling instead of digging down into the hose. Some competing braid constructions use fewer wires of a larger diameter on each bobbin to decrease cost, but it also increases corrugation wear. You can also see those hose corrugations through the gaps in that lower braid coverage, which leaves that hose more vulnerable to damage. So the next time you see a corrugated metal hose in service, take a look at that braid coverage and remind the customer that we have a 90% or higher braid coverage percentage to increase cycle life and protect our hose from damage. That's all for today. For more information on metal hose and expansion joints, be sure to subscribe and follow us on LinkedIn. Thanks.